Hey guys, it's Janine here, and in today's video we are going to be learning how to find the eigenvalues of a 3x3 matrix. So here we have a matrix A, and we know that the determinant of A minus lambda I is equal to 0. So let's go ahead and find out what A minus lambda I is equal to. So A minus lambda I is the same thing as taking this matrix A and subtracting the diagonal elements by lambda. So the next thing that we're going to want to do is take the determinant of A minus lambda I, as we see here. So let's go ahead and do that. And so let's go ahead and take the determinant of this matrix here. And simplifying this, these just become 0 because we're multiplying by 0. And we're left with this. So taking the determinant of this and multiplying it by this here, we have 3 minus lambda, and then we have minus lambda, 1 minus lambda, minus 0. And so this just cancels out into 0. And we're left with 3 minus lambda, and 1 minus lambda. And we know that this is equal to 0 from here. So from here, we can just go ahead and set this equal to 0 and solve for our lambdas. So we have lambda is equal to 3, lambda is equal to 0, and lambda is equal to 1. And these are our eigenvalues. So that is how you find the eigenvalues of a 3x3 matrix. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.